Okay, please try out this sum. It's CAT 2023 slot 2. Okay, let me do it. So for some positive real number x, if log x to the base root 3 plus this equals to 16 by 3, then the value of log 3x square to the base 3. Okay. So we need to find out x. Log x to the base 3 plus log 25 to the base 0.008. Okay. Okay, so log x to the base 3. Now this is equals to what? Log 25 to the base 25 by log 0.008 to the base 25. So log x to the base 3 plus, so this is going to be 1. This is going to be 1. And what about this one? So this is log 8 by
স্যার আমরা হঠাৎ এখানে ওইটা 25 কেন নিলাম?
দেখো এটা নেওয়ার কারণটা কি, আমি যদি log 25 to the base 25 নিই আমার ওই উপরের মালটা 1 হয়ে যাচ্ছে, ঠিক আছে? I could have taken log 25 to the base 10, I could have taken that, but in that case my number of steps would have increased. I need to reduce the number of logs as much as possible because I need to find out x. Okay, I need to reduce the number of logs as possible because I need to find out x. So log 25 to the base 25 by log 0.08 to the base 25.
স্যার এখানে তো বেসেতে x ছিল।
কার বেসে x ছিল? হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা 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 এইটা তো ওকে দেখো, see how this one changed to this one. So here we have applied change of base law first.
না না ওইটাই বুঝে গেছি, ওটা বুঝে
ঠিক
গেছি,
আছে,
ওটা বুঝে গেছি।
so we have applied change of base law first. আচ্ছা এখানটা
মানে
বলতে
ওইটা করলাম, তারপর আবার আমি চেঞ্জ করলাম লগটা।
হ্যাঁ
একবার মার্জ করলাম, আবার ভাগ করলাম,
হ্যাঁ
আলাদা
সুতরাং
করলাম।
এটা বুঝতে পেরেছো?
না স্যার।
log দেখো log 25 to the base x by log 0.008 to the base x. Okay, so with the help of change of base law what did I do, I combined these two logs. So log 25 to the base 0.008, এটা তো আগেও ছিল না, এই যে log যেমন log a to the base b can be broken as log a to the base c by log b to the base c. This can be broken into, so just like log a to the base b is log a to the base c by log b to the base c. Okay, similarly log a to the base c by log b to the base c can be merged into log a to the base b. বুঝতে পেরেছো?
হ্যাঁ
Okay. Now you see, now again we are breaking it into two logs. So log 25 to the base 25 divided by log 0.008 to the base 25. Why I mean here I again applied change of base law. Why did I break it in the in the terms of base 25? So that I can get 1 over here. Okay, I need to reduce the number of bases as much as possible. So 1 divided by, now 0.008 can be broken into 8 by 1000 to the base 25. So that is 4 2s are and 2 by 2. Okay, so this is going to be yeah, 1 by 125, 16 by 3. So this is going to be log x to the base 3 plus 1 by log
লগ কেন, ওটা 2 লিখতে পারি আমরা।
কোনটাকে 2 লিখতে পারো? কি বলছো?
দাঁড়াও স্যার এক মিনিট।
আবার দাঁড়াবো কেন? Okay, so this is
না
1
না
by
স্যার
25. হ্যাঁ কি হলো আবার, কে পারাং করলো, কেউ কিছু বললো? So log 1
আমি
by
ভুল করে হাত তুলেছিলাম।
oh log 1 by 20 log 1. Acha, now see I am breaking log 1 by 20 125 as log 1 to the base 25 minus log 125 to the base 25, right? And that is going to be 16 by 3. Now this is again going to be log x to the base 3 plus 1 divided by, so what is this going to be? It is going to be 0 minus, now what is this? This is going to be log 5 to the power 3 to the base 25. that is 16 by 3. Now this is going to be log x to the base 3 plus 1 divided by, now see this 3 is going to come in front. What I'm going to get, log 5 to the base 25. এতটা বুঝতে পেরেছো সুতমা?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so this is going to be 1 by 3 log 5 to the base 25. Okay, now so what is going to be log 5 to the base 25? It is going to be half. Why? Because 5 it can be written as what? Square root of 25, right? 5 can be written as
Yes,
log
sir.
square root of 25. So this half comes in front. So x is 27. Now we need to find out the value of this log. Therefore log 3x square to the base 3. Okay, so 7 is the answer. Okay, understood this one? Tell me, Shitama.
Yes, sir.
Please copy this quickly. Done. Can we move on to the next one?
Yes, sir.
This is the last sum on logarithm. It is plot 2. Please try this out. It's very simple. You can try this out. It's very easy. First of all, go for a conversion from logarithm to exponential form. Okay. First of all, go for conversion from logarithmic to exponential form. Okay. Tell me, Shridhama, what should I do with this? So we have log x square plus 12 to the base x equals to
Plus
4.
12.
So what should I do?
We'll put log both side.
No.
So log 4.
Conversion from logarithmic to exponential form. You don't put log on both
Oh,
sides.
acha.
X to the power 4 is equals to
X,
x.
हाँ, x to the power 4.
X square plus 12 is equals to x to the power 4. Okay. Now what to do? Now let x square is equals to a. So a plus 12 is equals to a square, or a square minus a minus 12 is equals to 0. Please do the method of factorization and tell me the answers for this, Shritama. Okay, a square minus a minus 12 is 0. So a square minus. So how should I break this? How should I factorize this, Shritama? How should I break this 1a?
Mm.
4 minus 3 because 4 3s is 12 and 4 minus 3 is A. So A is equals to minus 3 and A is 4. Now see what is A? A is x square. Now see any square can never be negative value. Okay, so any square cannot be a negative value, right? So this cannot be possible. So A
Yes.
is x square equals to 4. Okay, x equals to plus minus 2. Okay, now we'll take this one. 3 log x to the base y is equals to 1.
Y is equals to x to the x cube.
Yes, so uh, no. Log x to the base y is equals to 1 by 3, or x is equals to y to the power 1 by 3, right?
স্যার আমি x is equals to x cube লিখে y is equals to x cube লিখেছি, সেটাও তো হতে পারে।
y equals to x cube, হ্যাঁ রাইট, সেটা হতে পারে। Okay, and also it is given that x and y are positive real numbers, so that means I will take x as 2. Okay, there is no question of taking it as negative. So y is going to come what? So 2 is equals to our y to the power 1 by 3. So y is going to be 2 to the power 3, that is 8. Okay, now see what is x? X is 2, y is 8. That is 2 plus 8, that is 10. So 10 is the answer. Okay, understood, Shitama? Tell me in which part you didn't understand.
Under
Okay, please copy this, and next we will start with APGP. I thought Niladri will be joining today.